it's Steve again from the new Steve Henry Show. And yes, this is the Jeep number 7. And did you see the miles on that thing, huh? 83,000. It might have about 90 by the time you get it. No, I'm just kidding. I am driving this thing every day. I love it. Yes, it is. An 83,000 mile 2013 Midnight Blue. We won't show you the outside. We had a snowstorm here in Albuquerque, and you know what happened. Who's going to win this Jeep? Well, we don't know, but this is how you get there. You go to the new Steve Henry Show. You get in there, you put your address in there, and I don't think we ask too much personal information. Maybe we do, I don't know. But nonetheless, just put your information in there. That gets you into the spin for this Jeep. When, Steve? When? Well, it's going to be April 16th, live in the studio. We are going to perform a spin that you're just going to go, wow, I hope it's me, baby. And I do hope it is you. I'll deliver it to your front door. It'll be towards the end of April. We'll get past that dreaded April 15th day for sure, but the 16th we shoot live. We're going to go in studio now, and I'm going to show you something really cool. You won't believe the presentation for this one. Let's go inside. I'll show you how. And we are back inside, ladies and gentlemen, loved ones, welcome again. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do 3 series of Easter brunches. The first one being designer omelets. Let me tell you, and let me show you. When you invite 6 people over or more to your home, and you present them with all of the condiments, I want green onions, I want olives, I want ham, I want bacon, I want cheese, I want shrimp, whatever. It's all going to be displayed in front of them. They get to pick and choose what they want. You get to prepare it for them in a skillet, and I'm going to show you literally how to make an omelet. What? Oh, come on, Steve. No, there is a technique in which you perform an omelet. You don't put it in an oven to melt the cheese. I'm going to show you Saturday. It's going to be awesome. Yes, we'll do the Denver omelet. Where's the Denver omelet? Where did that come from? Well, believe it or not, the Chinese working on the railroad in the 18th century, they like that egg foo young. They actually turned that thing into a Denver omelet. Yeah, there's a lot of history to this Denver omelet. We're going to make all kinds of omelets. And then over here, I'm going to have this loaded with a grapevine and the orange. We're going to have mimosas. We're literally going to make homemade mimosas. But you know the wow effect. The wow effect is going to be over here. And that's going to be how we're going to serve that mimosa. It's not going to be in a regular glass. It's going to be in something you can actually eat if you wanted to. Wow, that's it. That's what we do at the Steve Henry Show. By the way, it is Saturday, 4 o'clock Mountain Time. You don't want to be late because we also do the spin. Yes, I'm going to be a spinner this weekend. We may do some more spins than we normally do, so brace yourself for that $200 spin. How do I do it, Steve? You go into the comment section and say, I'm here. That's what you do. 4 o'clock. You got that 4 o'clock. We're going to design some omelets. We're going to make mimosas. We're going to have a lot of fun. 4 o'clock Easter brunch series number 1. What's number 2? Well, maybe Belgian waffles and some crepes. And then number 3, we'll do eggs Benedict. All of these things I'm going to show you so you can have a fantastic Easter Sunday brunch at your house from the live Steve Henry Show, 4 o'clock Mountain. Don't you dare be late.